Walking down the street, feeling so fun. Underneath the moonlight, everything feels right. With every step I take, the world just fades away. I'm lost in the moment, living for today. Shadows dance around me in the silver moon's glow. The city's never sleeping, but my heart is in control. I'm on a midnight stroll, where time just slips away, leaving all my worries in the night's embrace. The rhythm of my footsteps matches with my beating heart. The music in my head, it's tearing me apart. I'm walking to the beat like there's no one else around. In this darkness, I found solace I have never found. I found solace I have never found. Walking to the beat like there's no one else around. In this darkness, I found solace I have never found. It's a canvas broad and deep, with secrets of the soul I keep. Every shadow tells a story of the world in all its glory. As I walk, I understand the night's a friend, a gentle hand. So I'll keep walking, lost in thought, in the night where I'm not caught. In the daylight's relentless race, here in the dark, I find my space. As the night whispers goodbye, and the first light touches the sky, I'll carry these memories, ever so sweet, of the night when my heart could freely beat. With the dawn the spell gently breaks, but the peace my soul forever takes. So until the stars again align, I'll hold on to this night, this moment in time.